Insalata Caprese. A appetizer from Italy. Serves 4. You will need 5 ingredients. Step 1. Slice tomatoes and bocconcini. Step 2. Arrange on a platter so that the slices alternate red and white to form a circle. Step 3. If you have extras, you can make another circle of tomatoes and cheese inside the bigger circle. Step 4. Place the basil leaves over the tomatoes and mozzarella so you can clearly see the red, green, and white colors. Step 5. These are the colors of the Italian flag. Step 6. Sprinkle with olive oil and grind black pepper over the salad. Add salt. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.